Hey guys, Annika, welcome to my Annika. I'm in a different location today just because the light is really nice coming from this window. It's just a really great time of day. And I was just in the mood to film, and normally I'm not in the mood to film around this time, so I have to like use my fake lights. Anyways, natural lighting's always the best, so that's what we're going with today. And today I'm going to be showing you how to go from normal basic thought to e-girl in probably less than 3 minutes. The video might end up being longer than that because I need to get those views. In real life, you could probably do all this shit in like under 5 minutes, definitely under 10 minutes at the most. Sometimes I want to be an e-girl at night, so this is how to go from normal thought to e-girl, you know? It's like a double look. So you can keep all your current makeup on. You don't have to take anything off, you just add, okay? We're gonna start with an eyeliner. Even though you're already wearing mascara, like, it's fine. You know? Oh my god, it's been a while since I've done wings, and also they might be really uneven. They're gonna be really uneven, I'm calling it right now. So yeah, that's a good length. It could be a little bit bigger, but definitely not smaller. This is the minimum that you can do. Come on, we gotta put some effort in. While we're talking about it, don't forget to follow me on TikTok. It's down in the description. Obviously, all my content is family friendly because TikTok does remove ones that are not. I hate this half of my face so much. Wait, okay, hang on. I gotta bend in, so I don't know if you're gonna be able to see me. Oh no, this is not good. Hey, wait, I can say this. This is how beauty gurus do their eyeliner. They're definitely not even, but they're both on there. That's all that matters. Now we're gonna take the eyeliner and we're gonna do hearts underneath the eyes. Some e-girls do them off to the side. Some e-girls do like smiley faces. Hang on, we're gonna do our blush first. I take the NYX Sweet Cheeks because it just has a lot, and they're relatively pigmented, but they're not like too pigmented. And I'm gonna use this peach shade and mix it with the pink shade. I'm kind of scared, but we're gonna start. Oh my god, I'm doing this to my face like for the rest of the day. Start there and then bring it across on the nose. And once you have it in the 3 places, then blend them all together. Keep going until it really makes you want to die. Don't forget the highlight, okay? E-girls always stay poppin'. I haven't used this in a sec. I feel like it pops, and it's also like kind of dark, so it's gonna, yeah. Cute. I just make this my everyday look. So now we're gonna do hearts. Are you excited? What I do for hearts, you don't have to like outline it and fill it in. Just press it this way, then press it that way. Just like make a big V and it'll look like a heart. Okay, watch me. Oh my god, I hate this so much, but I also kind of love it. This one's kind of crooked. Do e-girls wear lip gloss? They must. They gotta, right? You can't just stop there. Like, you can't just do the makeup. Otherwise, you don't fit the whole look and you just kind of look out of place. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take these. This isn't like all e-girls. This is just a variation. Like, I wore this to school today, but I feel like an e-girl would wear it, and I'm just now realizing that. So I feel like hoops aren't very e-girly. I don't know what's e-girl. These are pretty e-girl-y. They're hoops, but they're hearts. And then no, you thought that this video was over? Absolutely the fuck not. We're gonna make a TikTok. Is this better than if I were a furry or worse? So now we're gonna open TikTok. I'm just gonna make one really fast. Gonna look through my sounds, find an e-girlish one. I think I have one saved. Oh, I think I might do the X3 nuzzles pounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm. Oh, found it. You ready?
Okay, this is a really bad.
Oh fuck. I don't even know the fucking words. Fuck, what? Okay, so I know
This is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so
here we fucking go. Okay.
right. Okay, this is a really bad idea, but
Okay, ready? So you have the intro, right? Just a full-on fucking tutorial.
right.
That was so ugly, I can already feel it. Hey, wait, let's take a peek. You're disgusting.
Right.
It'll be worth it. You're gonna play around when you're making TikToks.
Right.
Kind of. That was good. I don't even have to look at it. I know that one was good. That's what you girls do, right? I could do that. Ugh, I have people that live downstairs, so.
Actually, nuzzles pounces on you.
Oh, wow, yes. You guys can't see, but I can get my full split.
Actually, nuzzles pounces on you.
Okay.
Ooh, you're so warm. Okay, now this is a really bad idea, but I'm already here, so here we fucking go. Right. Extreme nuzzles pounces on you. Ooh, you're so warm.
I think that's perfect. But now we have to do hashtags. For you, hashtag feature me, hashtag trend, hashtag e-girl, hashtag e-thought, hashtag jewel nation, hashtag cute. Hashtag ooh, I hate myself. Post! That, my friends, is my how to be an e-girl video and a little mini TikTok tutorial, because obviously you're not completely an e-girl unless you've made a TikTok. So be sure to follow me on TikTok, like my shit, get me to 10K. Oh, I'm doing dancing like I have to shit every day until I hit 10K, so I have to do that today. Yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, suck my dick. Keep on being an e-thought, and just keep on TikToking for real though. Bye. Tell me that I'm an idiot, you know that you'll be lying. What?